pleasure to host Charm and to see you here. So welcome, and I hope that you really enjoy the conference. It's really a pleasure that we have actually bid and won the opportunity to host the fabulous and very prestigious Charm conference. It's my pleasure to welcome everyone here at this reception. Brunel Business School is a research-intensive institution accredited by AACSB and AMBA, and today the fact that we are hosting the conference of Charm is a testament to the fact that we actually care about having a research, vibrant, active community.
So Charm was founded in 1983 at Michigan State University by the eminent marketing historian Stanley Hollander. Hollander was wanting to create an association which was distinct from the existing ones, like the Business History Conference. He wanted to have a specialist association for advertising, marketing, and resetting history. And this conference is also special because it's the third time we've been in the UK. And it's also special because it's the first time we're in London. And we're really happy to be here at Brunel University. And we're really looking forward to the next few days. We've got a wonderful program. And so we're really excited.
We've got such a strong, vibrant research community here, particularly in the area of marketing. We've got everybody from early career researchers through to professors. And so to see that not just at Brunel, but to bring that Charm community here to Brunel is absolutely fantastic. We're really using this as an opportunity to celebrate what we do and how we thrive here in terms of our research culture. Brunel, our research is internationally known, so we have got a QS ranking of about 99.8% for global engagement, which reflects our internationality and diversity as well. So it's great to see that reflected in who we are here within the conference. And again, just using this platform to really build collaborations, build friendships, and build connections. That's what conferences are all about, right? So,
I think we have a brilliant conference that we have put together, and it's really nice to see everything come to fruition. After 2 years of planning, when we first won the bid to host Charm 2025, we're really looking forward to a lot of the thought-provoking research that will be shared at Charm 2025. And we're also very, very proud to actually announce that we've had a 31% increase in submissions since the last Charm conference took place in Durham in North Carolina.
So really excited to be here at Charm this year. So we've had a really diverse range of topics and from people from all over the world that are bringing us different presentations about things like car marketing, all the way through to government agency marketing and drug marketing.
This year's Charm is all about crowning achievements in marketing history. Let's take a peek at some of the amazing moments from our sessions.
next we're going to move on to the Board of Directors.
Genuinely surprised. Go, Terry.
So we're very honoured to give you this prize. They were more like the mafia, and so they trace it back to Magna Carta, and so we can say that this is the origin of the concept of no taxation without representation.